Hey dolls, welcome back. This is Prissy. In case you're new to my channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're coming back from a previous time, hey girl, thanks for tuning back in with me. Today we have this glowy smoky eye look that we have going on here, and I thought this would be a great little look to put together for the end of summer, beginning of fall. We're just getting here into the fall months, and this is like that nice little transition where you still have your glow from the summer, but you want to play in your neutrals and your browns, but have that little pop there, you know, for the glitter still to have it going on like the summer months. So we're gonna get into this look, and today I have a few new goodies that I'm gonna add into this, and also just to incorporate, of course, my oldies but goodies, but just something new to try out. So it'll be some first time impressions with you guys as well. If you want to get into this look with me, stay tuned.
You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something.
First, we're gonna start off with the clean face, of course. I did wash, tone, moisturize my face, so I'm ready and prepped to go. I'm going to first go in and set my eyebrows. And next I'm gonna go in with some Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. I'm just gonna warm it up on my fingers here and pat this under my eye. This is gonna hopefully liven up my under eye, brighten it up some. Take away these bags, honey, please, please. Next, we're gonna go in with our primer. We're going in with the Cover FX blurring primer. That was blurry. I'm gonna get all into the pores in my T-zone, places where I get oily the most, where you may feel like your pores are the biggest. This will be the best place to put that. Next, we're gonna go in with this oldie but goodie Benefit brow pencil, precisely my brow. And we're gonna fill in our eyebrows. We're gonna clean up the brows. Same old goodie that I've always had. My NW30 is brushed off. It is not even visible anymore. I'm just going in with a flat brush. Get all into it and clean these brows up. Buff out the concealer that we just used to clean the eyebrows with. Clean up the other brow. Same process, same drill. Okay, brows are together. Okay, so this is a new one. I bought it when I went in Sephora and I was just browsing around, just trying to see new things that I wanted to get. I played in it some so far, but this is the Cover FX. This is the color G60 Total Cover Cream Foundation. I'm gonna use the sponge that comes with it to apply it. It's pretty smooth, creamy, different for me, just the overall different. This is a darker color. I'm gonna put it behind my ear. My hair is in a ponytail, and also some on my ear. Forehead. And it comes with the mirror. Booming. Everything needs to have a mirror. I don't care what it is. Everything needs to have a mirror. I need it to be a mirror on one side of everything. We're gonna go in with the Cover FX concealer, and this is G Medium. Making a whole tribe of dots on my face. I'm gonna press this in some with the Beauty Blender around my mouth and face. And on the other end, I'm going to blend out my concealer. I have some redness that I get around my nose area, so I kind of always drag the concealer down underneath my nose. I'm going to go in, I'm not going to bake today, but I am going to go in with the Soft Focus by MAC. I truly enjoy this. And I'm just going to dust my face with the Soft Focus. I don't really want to mattify my face too much since I want that glowiness. Let me prime my eyelid with my concealer. I said forget the primer, basically. No, do not skip the priming step. Now, we're going back in, we're going into the Crown Pro palette with our transition color. Okay, so now we have a nice clean base. And next we're gonna go in with the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is also something new that I have not used. I bought it some time ago from Sephora and they had a sale going on. And I was like, well, let me try it out and see. You can tell I haven't used it yet. The brush thing is still in the pack. Edge color here, this mustard base. And I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. It's a different color, but it's serving the purpose for what we're about to do next to get that color payout that I want. Next up, we're gonna go into something else new, and this is new to me. This is the Stila. This is a mouthful. Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Smoky Storm that we're going to be using, and we're just going to put this all over the top of the lid where we just put the yellow. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm going to let that set a little bit and to my face, let it dry some. And next we're gonna go in, I think it's dry good enough, with a fluffy brush. This is the Sonia Kashuk brush I just got from Target, just a little brush set. And I'm gonna go in with the Fudge here in the Subculture palette. And I'm gonna try this out on the outer corners. Ooh, it's dark. It makes me nervous. And I'm just gonna bring it into, brush it out, just a little bit on the brush. I'm gonna clean this up some. I'm gonna take the same blending brush that we've been using, clean the brush off some, since we just went in with that dark color. And I'm gonna go back into the Crown palette to go back into the transition color and soften this up some. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do with the eyes for now. Next we're gonna move into our bronzer. I've been using this throughout the summer. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And just warm up the face, this in place of the contour. Skin is glowing, bronze, it's the end of the summer, beginning of fall. We still want to look like we're glowing from the summer months. Still got that nice glow going. This is also something new that I'm going to go in with and trying out today. See how I like this. This is, I normally do not use loose blush. This is a luminous loose brush by Studio Makeup. A little goes a long way on this loose powder. This thing could probably last you forever. This is a little trick that I like to do, and hopefully maybe you guys will find it helpful as well. So when I go in to do my highlighter sometimes, and I've shared this trick sometimes with a few of my friends as well, I go in with a liquid highlighter. This is the Girl Meets Pearl by Benefit. Had this for forever. I think it's very pretty, very luminous, sheer, but also stands out. And then the Becca Champagne Pop is what we're gonna layer it with. So we're gonna go in with this first. A few clicks up. Take a little bit on my ring finger. Drag it down the nose. So everywhere you would put your highlighter at, you would kind of set this liquid highlighter, because it's just gonna amplify it so much more. You'll see what I mean. I mean, you can certainly build up your highlighter, but this is just something that I like to do and wanted to share because maybe it may help. Or something to add into your makeup routine. Then you let that kind of set. It's tacky a little bit. Yeah, so it's pretty tacky now. And I just go right in with the Champagne Pop Becca highlighter while it's still tacky. This is my Smashbox fan brush. And I just sweep it over the areas that we just set. Ooh. Highlight is popping. We're gonna next go in with something else that is fairly new, not brand new, but fairly new. This is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So I'm just gonna give this a spray. It has like a little ball in there to kind of set everything together. This is just gonna continue on with our nice glow and dewiness. I'm gonna go in and work on this under eye a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the brown pencil. This is a 24/7 pencil by Urban Decay. It's the double-ended pencil, brown and black. And I'm just gonna line my waterline in the inner corner as well. And then we're gonna go in with our blending brush again, and I'm gonna go in with the transition color that we use from the Crown palette and just sweep that underneath and connecting it with the corner. Add a little warmth to the under eye to make the look all tie together. Okay, and I'm gonna dampen the end of a brush with the Cover FX. Why did I just blow that? And I'm gonna go in with the Champagne Pop and put this in the corner of the eye, the inner tear duct. Okay, so now we have majority of our face done. We're gonna go in and set our lashes with the Better Than Sets Too Faced Mascara. This is an oldie but goodie, never going away type of thing. We got a relationship and we can never separate. Just gonna put a nice coat onto the lashes. And in the same step, I'm going to prime my bottom lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Base primer. We are going in with some falsies, so I want to kind of keep the same dramaticness throughout. All right, and we're going to be using the Miami lashes today. Fave lashes of all time. Probably need to re-up on another pair. They're trying to shed a little bit. So I went ahead off camera and applied the chocolate gel eyeliner by Bang Beauty. I used the angle brush and I just kind of went across the top of my lash line. These are the Miami lashes that we're adding on. All-time favorite. Always a staple, oldie but goodie. Next we're gonna go in and line our lips. I'm gonna be using a Sephora brand lip liner, waterproof lip liner. And this is in the color Naked. And And we're gonna go in and top this look off with a nude lip. Since we have a lot going on with the eyes are a bit more dramatic. I'm gonna go in with the Bare Minerals Sexpot. I'm getting pretty low. This is like one of my favorite nude colors of all time. And we're gonna top that with the Neat Freak lip gloss by Makeup Shayla with her collaboration with ColourPop. It's like a perfect lip topper. This completes the look for us today. This is our glowy smoky eye transitional look from the end of the summer to beginning of fall. Getting our looks together, lining up those good neutrals, our browns, our oranges to make this fall season pop. I thought this would be a great look for you guys to try out. This is a great look for me to try. I love the glitter. It gives me a nice little sassy pizzazz going on here. And I'm just living for my ponytail. This ponytail, it just still gives me summer vibes, but I'm gonna wear it through the fall as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope to see you next time. Last but not least, be Prissy for the love of glam.